Hey guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply. Today we are going to be at a job site and I'm going to show you guys how to cam a JVA. So a JVA is a Jandy valve actuator. As you can see right here in this photo, it's an automated valve. So what we're going to do is actually show you guys how to position it custom. So they usually come 180 degrees left and right. So I'm going to show you guys how to open it up, take it apart, and actually set the pin so you guys can make that valve do whatever you want to. So stay tuned. All right, so first thing what you want to do is take off the screws. There's 4 screws on a Jandy valve actuator. So what you want to do is take the screws off. I've already loosened them. There's only 2 on here. So take those off, and then you have to take off your handle. Don't put it away because you're going to need it when you do this process. So take the handle off, and then the front of the panel will literally just come right off. Nice and easy. So if you see here too, there's 2 O-rings inside of here. That's actually what keeps this thing weather sealed. Check on those periodically. If you're in the Valley of the Sun like we are, it's going to be they might dry out over time, but honestly, I haven't seen a whole lot of them dry out. This one's probably close to 10 years old and they still feel like brand new. So let's get you closer to show you what I'm talking about here. All right, so put your handle back on. So what we're trying to do here is make it to where this valve is going to be turning to where the off is pointed up when it's done. So after it keeps trying to focus 1,000 times. So the way that these things work is if you see this orange dot inside here, there's like these grooves that, let me actually pop in here real quick. So let me reverse that. So the little bump out, when it hits the orange stopper, that's when the valve knows when to stop. See it just pressed right there? Let me see here, right in there. So it just pressed in there. So what I'm gonna do now is, you have 2 options here. The factory wants you to like undo a bunch of crap. I'm not about that life. So what I can do now is you just wanna position this stopper further down to make the off come up a little bit more. So what I'm gonna do is kind of notch it. And just keep going until my off is vertical. So let me back up here so you guys can see what I'm doing here. So if I go a little bit more, you just kind of keep slowly notching it. I think I need 1 more notch. Perfect. Now I'm perfectly up and down. So now my Jandy valve, if you notice, Jandy valves are meant to go left and right when they're looking up like this, so it's kind of weird looking now. It's actually going to go up and down. So you can actually cam these things to do whatever you want to. I mean, you can have these things go from 10 degrees to 15 degrees or 270 degrees. It's kind of neat how you can do this. So now it's going to go all the way up, all the way down. So this front one positions your left, like when it comes back around to the left. And the back one here is what positions it where it's going to stop right now when it's coming back down to the right. So we got all the way down. Now let's go back all the way up just to verify and test it one more time. Music provided by Jacob at ePoolSupply. All right, so should be stopping here at the new cam position. Boom, we successfully cammed a JVA. So I'm gonna take this back off, put my cover on, make sure it actually goes in snug where it can't move at all. And then I'm gonna put my 4 set screws in. So as you can see here, my handle will go on. That's where I want my valve permanently. And we are golden. So I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. Today, we cammed a JVA 2444 by Jandy Pool Products. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.